Rain. Hi guys, good morning everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lucy Cash from Kenya, Africa. And if you have not subscribed, kindly give us the honor of subscribing to this channel because it's all amazing. To my new subscribers, welcome. To my old subscribers, welcome back. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't and like this video, please. I know you can hear the noise outside. It's raining. It's raining. You can see I've been rained on. And as you know, shower is the genesis of smelling good. So whether it is raining or not, we have to take a bath here in the village. We are in the village, of course, as always. And I'm not crying. This is drops of water from the rain. I've been rained on as I was coming to the bathroom. As you all know, in the village we do have outside bathrooms. So that is why I've been rained on from the house to the bathroom. But I want us to take a shower with you on a rainy day. It's a bit cold, so today I have some warm water. Yeah, it's a bit cold because it's raining. In our area, it is really, really raining. We have rains, heavy rains. We are told that it's called El Nino. I don't know whether it's true, but it's heavy. It's really heavy. And even there are some people right now who have migrated from their houses, from their homes, because the water is all over their homes, the water is all over their houses, and they can no longer stay there with what the water is floating. The way it's crazy. These rains are crazy. As much as we love the rains here in the village because of growing crops, this is crazy. The rains are very heavy. So let's take a shower before you cannot hear me. Just enjoy the shower. Today I'll not be talking much because this is just a regular shower of what I've been doing and of what I do. So let's take a shower on a rainy day. So guys, there is nothing good like taking a shower right now when it is raining, and then you go sleep. Hey, that sleep slaps. I'm telling you, the reason as to why I'm taking a shower right now while it is raining, it's because I just want to go back to the house and have a sleep because it's so cold, by the way. So I just want to take this shower and feel good, and then go back to the blankets and just sleep because, hey, I've done much this morning, so I just want to go and sleep. Please kindly, if you have not subscribed, guys, subscribe, like this video, share to your friends, and comment down below. Tell us which country you are watching us from, and tell me whether it is raining in your respective countries, whether the rain is heavy as our place. As I told you, many of our people here right now, they are suffering because they can no longer stay in their houses because it's raining even inside the house. So the water is just floating in their houses, so they have to just look for places to stay until these rains are over. The rains here in Kenya are very heavy right now, but we move regardless because this is God's doing. This is not our doing. So enjoy the shower. Today, don't want to talk much. Enjoy the shower. It's just my regular shower. And yeah, just comment a sweet comment on the comment section. Okay. So guys, I'm done with my bath and it's still raining. I don't know whether you can see. Look at my comfort, you guys. I'm done with my shower, with my bathing, whatever it is that you would like to call it. Now I'm going back to the house and it's still raining. So thank you so much guys for watching. God bless you, and kindly subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, it's raining here heavily, by the way, heavily. So let me go back to the house before I'm rained on so much. And then we will catch up on our next video. Let me go back to my kids, guys. Bye and I love you all.